So now in this video we're going to just take a quick look at one of my favorite modules here. This is actually a voltage booster. So we have 5 volts at the power supply. Let's say we have a 5 volt power supply and we cannot raise the voltage. Or maybe we just want more circuitry with a higher voltage. We got the voltage booster here. We just apply power, and you can see the display really easily in person, but the camera doesn't pick it up terribly well unless I shade it like this. And there you can see we got 7 volts coming out. This particular voltage booster, you can also press a button and see the voltage coming in. Now you're going to notice the power supply has to provide current even though we don't have any other load. The display has to light up, and also you lose a little bit of energy when you do that voltage conversion. So here you can see I have a 220 ohm resistor with 3 green LEDs in series. So technically they need about 9 volts to conduct, but they will let a little current trickle through at 7 volts. So I got it set back to show the voltage coming out, 7 volts, and we can come to where the other screw down terminals are. If you touch the screws, they still conduct, and so the LEDs are lighting up, but they're not bright because just a little current is trickling through. So of course we want to get enough voltage to really light the LEDs. This is an adjustable voltage booster. All I have to do is turn this screw here, and we will go to 12 volts, which is what this circuit is actually designed more to do. If you want to get these LEDs to about their maximum brightness without exceeding 20 milliamps of current. So now I got the lamp pretty bright again, and we'll see that when I power this, the LEDs are really bright. So now of course this energy does not come for free. We already have current to power the module and the display. That's probably mostly the display that you see there, but you're going to see we're going to go from about 25 milliamps to almost 70 milliamps right there. So that is about 45 milliamps of current more approximately, and these LEDs obviously don't have that much current going through them. The thing is, when you take a lower voltage and step it up, it takes more current. That current is being converted into voltage. And so we'll finish up the demonstration by looking at how much current we need if we just apply 12 volts directly, and it's about 11 milliamps there. I think it'll go up to like 12. This is about 1 or 2 milliamps off, and but it's close enough. So you can see the LEDs are pretty bright. I have the lamp kind of down, and so the camera kind of makes adjustments. But there you can see how dim they are at 7 volts. And of course if we go to 5 volts, they will be off completely. We're nowhere near even being able to leak current through them. So now I didn't want to go into all the specifications of this particular voltage booster module. There you can see you can screw down wires. You can use larger wires. This can handle a fair amount of current. It has that display. As I said before, you can look at the voltage in and out. There's other ones where there's no display. You just have to use a multimeter to measure the voltage out, but they would be cheaper, so maybe that's something you want. There's a lot of options for voltage boosters, so we're just going to keep this video simple, but still hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I posted on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.